Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make pork dumpling. We always serve in the morning of Chinese New Year to bring the good luck for the whole year. The pork dumpling shape represents of Chinese ancient gold, and it's always symbol of good luck. This is a simple recipe from my grandmother. In this recipe, I will use fresh, coarsely ground pork butt. I use 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vodka or hummus, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger roots, scallions, and Napa cabbage. And I usually like to buy the round dumpling wrappers. Twin Dragon is the best in the market. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You get everything ready, so first you cut the cabbage, 4 ounces of Napa cabbage. If you don't have Napa cabbage, you can always use green cabbage. Chop the scallion. And I like to use food processor to chop that. It is very important to marinate the meat with soy sauce, vodka, and sesame oil so the flavor will get into the pork. And you have to marinate this before you add the cabbage and the scallion. Then we add the ginger, scallion, and cabbage after the pork is marinated. Then mix them together well and set on the side. First you drip the water on the edge of the dumpling. Then you put the 1 teaspoon of stuffing in the middle of the dumpling. Then you pinch the center very tight, and then you pinch same side once, and then pinch the second side, same side once. And you have to make sure it's totally sealed, otherwise the water will get into the dumpling and the dumpling will break. This is a good activity to do with the family. When I was little, I was making dumpling with my grandmother. Now I always make the dumpling with my son and my 3 grandchildren, and we always have a good time. We chat, we make dumpling, then we cook the dumpling. You would make this dumpling about 50 dumplings, and if you cannot use all the dumpling, you can freeze some dumpling, put in the freezer. There are 3 ways to cook this dumpling. The first one I'm going to show you is pan-fried dumpling or pot stickers. You put 2 tablespoons of oil, then you put dumpling in the pot, and then you put 1/4 cup of water, and you close very tight. The steamer will cook the dumpling and make the soft. About 7 minutes, you open the pot, and if it's not brown enough, you can let it cook longer until the dumplings are crispy on the bottom. And we call this pork pot stickers. This is the best way of eating this dumpling. You can also boil in the dumpling like you cook with pasta. I usually like to serve a dipping sauce, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and very fine julienne ginger, and we dip the dumpling into it. This is a dish I like to serve for Chinese New Year as an appetizer. It's also a wonderful dish to do with the whole family. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.